Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this short video you'll learn how to fix no internet connection. Your iPhone is not connected to the internet in App Store on iPhone. Let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, as you can see that currently my iPhone is connected to the internet and still internet is not working. Usually this problem occurs in App Store when your internet is not working or slow. If you are using cellular data, ensure it is turned on and there's adequate signal strength. And if you are using Wi-Fi, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. After checking this, now go to Settings application. After opening the Settings application, turn on airplane mode for a while and then turn it back off. This can reset your network connection. After doing this, now go to General, swipe down and tap Date and Time. In the date and time, make sure Set Automatically is turned on because incorrect date and time settings can cause connection problems. After checking the date and time, now go back to the General menu, swipe down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset. Now a pop-up menu will appear. Select Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone or screen time passcode. Again tap Reset Network Settings to confirm your action. This will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi passwords. So make sure you have them saved somewhere else. Now go back to the settings and reconnect your iPhone to the internet and see if the App Store is now working or not. So you can see that the App Store is working now. Before leaving, please subscribe our channel and like the video. Thanks for watching the video.